Rolando from ReveMoto. Today we're going to be working on a 2017 Toyota Rav4 Rear Bumper removal and installation. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. If you guys need any parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. I do apologize for the noise quality. We're still working here, so I'm going to try to do my best to speak up and be really clear in this video. Thank you. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and lift up that lift gate, or open that lift gate. So next we're gonna start off on this side right here and take off the bolts. All right, so if you guys go right here on the side, you're gonna see these bolts right here. There's gonna be two of them right there. It's gonna be a 8mm. There we go, an 8. And then right down here, you're gonna have a 10mm. It's just down right here. And it looks like that. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we're gonna go underneath, and there's gonna be some push pins down there, and you're gonna need one of these tools, or if you have 2 flathead, that works also. So let me show you guys what that looks like underneath. So it's gonna be like these little push pins right there. Wait, 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. So again, those push pins are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they look like this. And you just basically wedge something in the middle portion right here, and that clip should pop right out. So now we're gonna take these bolts off right here and right here. That's gonna be a 10mm. So as usual, now that all the bolts are off, we're gonna go ahead and go to one corner and pull it. So let me show you guys how to do that. So get one side out, go to the other side. So actually right here, there's another clip. So there's not just 4 of them, I think there's 6 of them. So if you guys look underneath right here, these were the 4 that I was talking about. 1 right there. So this tab right here, this little flap needs to come off. That's the one that I forgot about. Then there's a 3rd one right there. There's a 4th one right there. And then you have another tab right here. That's gonna be the 5th one. And the last one's gonna be right here. That's the 6th one. So now that we have the corners over here and over here popped off, and those tabs that we forgot to take off are now off, now we can pull the bumper off. And then you see right there, there's gonna be a clip. So we're just gonna go ahead and unclip it right there. All right, so now the bumper's off. We're gonna go ahead and put the accessories back on the new bumper. All right, so that's our old bumper right there. So we actually only need like the top portion right here. So here's a new bumper, or if you can call it a bumper. It's just basically a top pad of it. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the accessories off of this one. Alright, with the old bumper upside down, we're gonna start off on this side. We're gonna take off the clips, and then we'll work our way around over there. Alright, so we're gonna start off with these clips right here. They're all around the bumper, but basically all you do is push down on them. Basically they look like this, and you just press down on this tab right here and then pull out. You guys can see all the white tabs are everywhere on the bumper, so just go ahead and find all those white tabs and push them out. Alright, so if you guys in the back of the bumper, you're gonna see this where the reflectors are, or actually the I believe these are brake lights maybe. But basically there's a screw right here, a Phillips right here, and over here you're gonna see like a push pin basically. So with this thing right here, you just need a flathead and basically pry up in the middle of the prongs right here, and that should release that. And it looks like this. So if I press down on it, you basically just put a flathead and then pop it up. Then over here is the Phillips, and this should just come right off. Let's see. You see these clips right here. We're gonna take those off later, and we're gonna put those back on the other bumper. So we're gonna do that same thing on the other side. Then once the lights are off, then you're gonna go ahead and go over here. There's gonna be these clips, used like a flathead, and pop those right off. Now your lights are off. Alright, so now on the side of the bumper, these things right here need to come off. So if you guys look right here, there's these tabs right here. And all you do is press down on it. So you just press down on it and then it'll come right off. Just like that. So the side of the bumper, this little accent piece right here. So you just press down on this tab and then try to get it in there, that hole, and then pop it out. Alright, now we're gonna put these little side pieces on. Basically just match it up. And then press it into place. You get one of these clips. And do the same thing to the other side. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the keep calling it fog light, but the rear brake lights, I believe, or turn signals. So for those lights in the back, just make sure they line up. put them in place. And then go ahead and screw them in. And then on these clips right here, they kind of line up, so just go ahead and press them in. And then same thing with this light, just screw it in and then put those push pins in. Alright, so now we got the bumpers all together. We're gonna go ahead and clip it back on. Remember to line it up first, and then also don't forget to plug up your lights. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop the corners in place. Alright, now we're gonna put the screws in place. So remember, an 8 and a 10 down here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put those bolts or screws on this side, and on the bottom. 8 and a 10. Alright, so I'm gonna put the bolts right here, 10 millimeters right there, a 10 millimeter right there, and then last but not least, see these little clips right there, those push pins. We're gonna put those all back underneath. So we can go ahead and put those clips back into place. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2017 Toyota Rav4 Rear Bumper. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, turn on that push notification, and hit that like button. If you guys need any parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your prepaid and auto body parts store. Thank you.